there, guys. My name's Dave. I'm one of the firemen at South Baldwin. I am the assistant chief, and I thank you for joining me today on our virtual walkthrough of South Baldwin's engine. So this is 104 engine. With our equipment and everything that we have here, this is our primary fire apparatus for putting out fires. It carries a ton of tools, and today we're going to walk through and learn about it. On our fire apparatus, there is a total seating capacity of 6 firemen. Obviously, this is the driver's seat. His primary role and responsibility is to drive the apparatus safely to the call, as well as then pump the apparatus if we need to use the pump. The other front seat would be for the officer. He's the commanding officer for this apparatus, and he's usually the highest ranking individual in or on the truck at the time. Then in the back, there's seating for 4 firemen. Those seats all have our breathing apparatus built into the seat. So that way, when we're going to the call, if we are going to something where there's a fire, we can put those SCBAs on while we're seated in those seats, safely seat belted. There is some various other equipment in the back, so the firefighters, when they come off, they're ready to go and perform the tasks and duties that they may need to perform. So going over quickly kind of about some of the equipment we have in our truck. In this compartment here, we have a bunch of rope, rescue rope for various tasks. There's rope for water rescue, there's rope for just moving tools back and forth, and then there's rope for confined space or angle over the hill rescues, as well as some extra breathing air for our SCBAs that we wear on our back. And then in here, this is a variety of hand tools. We have axes and sledgehammers, as well as some some shovels, as well as some brooms. So there, the big hose that you see here, this is our what we call 5-inch supply line hose. This is what connects to the fire hydrant and then connects to the fire truck. There's 1,200 feet of that, so that no matter how far away our hydrant is, we can still bring water to the pump of this fire apparatus. Down below, you'll see our saws. There's both circular as well as a chainsaw that we can use for a variety of things, such as cutting roofs or other metal objects if we need to get in and rescue someone. Also back here is where our ladders are. Our ladders are actually stored in this chute. There's 3 different ladders, our longest being 30 foot on this truck, and then a variety of different lengths shorter than that. So in one of our last cool pieces on this truck, while this isn't our rescue truck, it also does still have the jaws of life. So in case that there is somebody trapped in a car, this will be able to cut as well as open the vehicle up if we need to. This obviously has hoses that are connected to a power unit that supplies us all of that power to cut and open the vehicle. Truck water, there's 780 gallons of water on this fire truck, but then obviously that only lasts so long. So when the water starts to run out, what the important part is the fire hydrant. So when we connect to the fire hydrant, the hose connects to the truck and then supplies us with an unlimited supply of water. So the pump and all the gauges control each and individual hose line and discharge. Discharge being what the water comes out from. The engineer or the driver of the truck is his responsibility to also know how to operate and pump the truck. So to provide the water to all our hoses that come off the side here, off the front, and off the back.